Thank you, photographers. Yeah. It's coming now. Photographers. Thank you so much, photographers. That way? Okay. What a great way to close the show at 6 Degrees Studios, a studio that has been such a special stage for all of our talented designers to showcase. It is personally, it just resonates with each and every person who comes to LFW and says there's so much experimentation, there's so much innovation, and 6 Degrees is perfectly that stage that presented these designers a platform to showcase their brilliant collections. I'd love to hear from Amrita Parekh, Head of Fashion Business at 6 Degrees, to talk about the last show at 6 Degrees that we saw on day 5 of LFW.
Thank you and welcome to 6 Degree Stage. 6 Degree endeavors to bring promising talent each year, and this is our 4th consecutive successful partnership with Lakme. Our hearts are filled with pride to present Ravi, Julie, Ram and Chandrika, and Nancy. Our humble gratitude to the showstoppers for adding a spark to our show, and what a fantastic way to have the finale at 6 Degree Studio. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Amrita. We saw 4 talented designers close the show at 6 Degrees. We had Debel by Nancy, we had Arabi by Ravi Bhalotia, we had Julie Shah, and Rams and Chandrika Rams. I'd love to hear from each one of you all what was the inspiration for this collection. And kickstarting, I'd love to hear from Julie Shah. Somebody took my mic, I'm so sorry.
Hello everyone. I would love to introduce my collection, the Gulab Bagh, which is inspired by the serenity of roses. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Julie. I'd love to hear from Kiara. You looked so breathtaking walking down the ramp. Thank you so much for being here. Love to hear from you about your thoughts about the collection.
Well, good evening, everyone. Firstly, a big congratulations to Julie and all the lovely designers here. It's been a pleasure working for Julie. She made me feel beautiful in this floral print outfit. I think I'm summer ready. I'm ready for all the upcoming weddings that are going to happen. And she's such a talented, lovely designer. I wish her all the best for her future.
Thank you.
Nancy, you're no stranger to the 6 Degrees Studio. We're so happy that you're back with us this time around as well. You presented such a beautiful show. In fact, Malaika's outfit is such a statement in itself. I'd love to hear from you about the inspiration of this collection.
Well, being a summer resort collection, this time my inspiration was definitely a bird. But then I thought of interpreting it in a very different form, in a modern form, and getting them embroidered in a complete geometric patterns. Again, we have come up with the Safari Indian version of Safari. And basically the collection is for Indian women who's ready to make bold statements in an Indian ethnic wear, right? And rest, if I have to speak for Malaika, then I guess Malaika is an inspiration for all the women who aspire to become an individual and, value their own Indian culture as well. And she is a complete fashion icon for me. She really knows how to make a balance between style and elegance. So I can see she's carrying this outfit so beautifully. So thank you so much.
Like, I don't think so I can follow that. If you could please let us know how is it.
Well, thank you so much, Nancy, for all those wonderful words. Firstly, congratulations to you and to all other designers and our showstoppers right here at the 6 Degree stage. This is the first time I'm actually walking on the 6 Degree stage. I've always been on main stage, but like you said, it's all about innovation, it's all about experimenting, it's all about being different. So I think it's always nice to be part of a force that actually pushes you in the direction of being different and showcasing something interesting. So thank you, Nancy, for putting me in something so inspiring. We all love a sari, but a sari with a twist is always even more fun. So thank you so much, and I wish 6 Degrees stage all the very best for all the future shows. Thank you.
Thank you, Malaika. Such a pleasure to have you always at Lakme Fashion Week. You really make it something else altogether. Thank you so much. Let's not forget about the designer duo, Rams and Chandrika Rams. You all really have created a unique twist of how menswear fashion should be looked at, and Karan Singh is very much the icon statement. Somebody we want to talk to, and welcome to Lakme Fashion Week, firstly, Karan. If you could let us know about your inspiration for this collection.
Yeah, basically we are from Hyderabad. We both couple design men's clothes, and we always believe in like men can experiment a lot. Like so, we always believe in like creating some new colors, new silhouettes. But we always try to maintain our designs minimalistic. Though our creative skills are like too much, we always try to maintain them like subtle, so that like the men whoever wears our clothes, they should be more comfortable. And the theme what we had taken is called Bohemian, and this theme is more inspired of Bohemian theme, and it's all unusual, and I think you can see it in Karan's outfits and the other models. Yeah, that's how we yeah. Thanks, and especially special thanks to 6 Degree, and Lakme is one platform we love to do always, again and again. And this is our second time, and we wish to do more and more seasons, and to make men more handsome and better. Thank you.
Couldn't have agreed
And
with you
I should
more.
thank Karan for being our showstopper, and it was great pleasure working with him. A very cool attitude guy. Yeah, thank you.
Like I said, couldn't agree with you more. Handsome is exactly the word that would describe him right now. You look
Thank
like
you,
you were
thank you.
having fun. You look so completely chilled out, Karan. Welcome to Lakme Fashion Week once
Thank you.
more.
Thank you so
Could you let
much.
us know how was it walking the ramp for them?
It's firstly great associating with Lakme and 6 Degree and Rams, and being here amidst these beautiful ladies and beautiful designers. It was great. It's exciting, and like Rams was telling us about what his collection is all about. It's made for polite hippies. So that's something that I would describe myself as. And he likes experimenting with geometric designs and different stuff that people wouldn't do. And that's what excites me as well. So it was awesome.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
that.
Thank
you
you.
so much to our talented set of designers and their showstoppers. Couldn't have said it better. You all really, really just helped us close the show at 6 Degrees in a very good way. Thank you so much for that. Opening the floor to questions from media. Okay, that's it. I think. So sorry. We're just taking pictures actually. We won't be doing any live. You want the mic?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. It's such a pleasure to be here once again at Lakme Fashion Week this year, 2018. I think it's always very nice to promote new talent and new designers. And I think label RB really has something special in them. I love my outfit. I think it's perfect for this summer resort collection. And I was very impressed when I saw his work, when he showed me the showstopper outfit. There were so many options. And we finally chose this. I think it was a nice choice. And like I said, you know, I think I like to promote new talent. And it's been a pleasure to walk for them.
Thank you so much. So kind of you.
Well, I think my personal style, as everyone knows, I love blacks and whites. So I've really taken a shift today to wear a lovely pastel color. I think in a certain way it does, because I like simple things. And I think this outfit has a certain simplicity and softness to it. So that's what I like about it.
Excited you are, what's going on your mind?
I'm very excited to be walking for Lakme Fashion Week, and very excited to be walking around. It's a very different style that he has, and to be a part of something that he's created, and also to be part of something that is as big as Lakme is excellent.
Okay, tell us about the attire that you are wearing.
Yeah, so this is by a designer called Rams. Their theme is Bohemian for men, so they call it Boho Men. And yeah, he likes playing with different kind of colors, geometric designs, symbols, flowers, stuff like that. Something that most people don't do. So that's what I'm all about also, what people don't do.
You have worked for so many designers, so what's one quality you have liked most about your Rams?
Actually, I haven't really walked for many designers earlier. This is my first time walking for Rams. It's, I don't know, it's just, I guess, when you see people walking and everyone does, they need to present themselves and their personality with the designer. Has to be a nice match with the clothes. So I think we should all blend in together and do our best.
Okay, you are, apart from a fitness icon, you are also known as a fashion icon in our Bollywood. That's the you and Bipasha ma'am.
Yeah.
So, according to you, who is the icon of a Bollywood? According to fashion.
Fashion, I think recently I saw one of Amitji's photographs in Dabbu's calendar, and he's wearing a purple suit, and he's on a bicycle, and white shoes, and he's wearing sunglasses, and there are not many people in this world who can carry a purple suit, man, and he carried it with so much style. It's like, you know, I got it. You just have to look at it. So, hats off to him, man.
Okay, what's current fitness mantra and fashion mantra both?
Never take a day off is the fitness mantra. Fashion is, don't think too much about it, man. Just be comfortable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, within few minutes you're going to walk the ramp.
Yes.
So how excited are you and what's going on your mind?
I'm super excited. I love working for Lakme Fashion Week. I think this is my 4th year, and I really look forward to the shows. I look forward to being a part of it, and seeing all the designers. And I'm really happy to be representing Julie Shah today. She is, a really talented designer, and she's really something beautiful to wear, which I love. It makes me feel all pretty and flirty. So just waiting to hit head ramp.
Okay, tell us about your attire that you're wearing.
So I'm wearing a lehenga, which has this very dramatic cape on it that's got a lovely trail to it. It's floral on black, which is something that's new and different, and I've never tried it. And yeah, it's very lightweight, and at the same time, the lehenga has such stunning work that's done on it that it feels beautiful, it looks beautiful, and I'm feeling pretty in it.
Ma'am, whenever you walk the ramp, you're so confident, and there is
Yeah.
something glow in your face. What's the secret about it?
I think it's the music and the clothes. I love getting into these fancy clothes and playing dress up. And the minute I hit head ramp, I just go with the music. And I think that's a trick, the music, the ambience, the audience, the vibe. Lakme Fashion Week always has a very energetic and positive vibe. So I enjoy it thoroughly.
You're also known as a youth icon of our Bollywood.
Am I?
population.
I don't know if you're saying so.
According to you, who is a fashion icon? In male and
Well, I think everybody is very, very well. Sorry, guys. Should we cut it and relet them? Okay, I'll finish it.
रवि भाई आप फ्रेम में हो यार.
And so this lovely gentleman over here is going to be taking your interview. That's fine.
सब आप वो साइड चले. रवि भाई आप चले.
Who's the?
Youth icon, according to you, male and female both.
Okay, youth icon in Bollywood. I think Ranveer Singh. I think he's really cool. He owns his attire and he's very unique. He stands out from everyone else. So Ranveer for sure. And I think I'll have to give it to Sonam because she's really made everyone up their game and brought in, the whole ideology of styling and fashion in the industry. So yeah.
You have immense numbers of followers in Instagram or Twitter. So any tips you like to give to your fans because many people are wanting to know what's the secret of your beauty.
Okay, so to all my Insta followers and my Twitter family and all my social media friends, I'd call them, I'll just say just to express yourself, don't try to impress anybody. If you're happy, you look amazing and we'll all love it anyway. So yeah, just be happy.
What is three things that we are always going to find in that tiara of one?
In my wardrobe, a white gunji, a great pair of jeans and lovely heels.
Okay.
High heels, yeah.
Next with Ram Charan.
Yes.
You are excited to work with
I'm-
project has been
Yes, we've not started shooting. We've only done the Muhurat shot, but I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to joining them on set. It's a masala film, and I love the 90s, the kind of films they've had. I've grown up on the 90s films, so I'm looking forward to working with him. Yeah, fingers crossed. We have an amazing time, and we make a great film together.